Hello everyone. We are here to talk about the OpenStack Hackathon that we did in the last year and in the city of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. And we are talking here first about the OpenStack Hackathons. What are OpenStack Hackathons? OpenStack Hackathons, you can do events with teams and people to do anything, any applications to put in top of OpenStack. And also the hackathons help app developers build knowledge and skill for cloud native application, develop new relationships and discover new talent in your community, understand, develop the open source and how to participate in the open source community, practice collaboration and work as a team across various roles. And also OpenStack Foundation can help you with the OpenStack hackathons. So we already did 3 OpenStack hackathons in the world. The first was in Taiwan, the second in Guadalajara in Mexico, and now we did in the city in Rio de Janeiro. João and Bertin will talk more about the hackathon, the infrastructure, and after Tim we show the application development to use with OpenStack.
Great. So film.
We had a video here. Introduction video. Para mim está sendo muito gratificante ver esse hackathon acontecendo aqui na cidade do Rio de Janeiro. A gente está aqui com todos esses grupos envolvidos, onde essas aplicações podem resolver algum problema aqui da cidade do Rio de Janeiro e focando em cidades inteligentes. E o ganhador, né, desse grande prêmio vai poder falar um pouquinho sobre o projeto no próximo Summit do OpenStack que vai acontecer no próximo ano em Vancouver, no Canadá.
Estamos aqui há 18 horas aqui do Hackathon em curso, né? E uma expectativa da gente chegar amanhã com um resultado, né, espetacular aí para os participantes.
Estou aqui no Hackathon, meu primeiro Hackathon. Estou bastante animada. É uma experiência nova para mim. Tudo é muito novo. Estou gostando pra caramba.
O que falar desse Hackathon que eu mal conheço, já considero pacas. A galera já capotou, a galera já acordou, eu ainda não dormia. A gente está fazendo ali, está divertido, o lugar é irado, a gente já malhou ali também.
Então a gente está aproveitando aí o máximo que esse Hackathon está oferecendo, a infraestrutura, pessoal bacana, a pizza e o cafezinho que deixa a gente acordado por bastante tempo.
Esse não é o meu primeiro hackathon, é o terceiro hackathon que eu participo. O aplicativo que a gente está fazendo é voltado para as cidades olímpicas. Vai auxiliar o professor e o instrutor dos esportes a ter o contato com os alunos das escolas, para ver se ele está frequentando a escola e não só o esporte. Espero que possa contribuir então, para ter essa integração entre o esporte e a escola.
É a primeira vez que eu estou participando de uma hackathon. A gente juntou o grupo da faculdade e decidiu vir. Nós temos uma ideia, trazer uma facilidade para pessoas que têm deficiência. É uma coisa que a gente está há muitas horas programando sem parar. A gente só dormiu umas 2 horas desde ontem para hoje. E está sendo uma experiência muito legal.
Estou curtindo muito a experiência, meu primeiro hackathon. A gente está trabalhando com acessibilidade, aplicativo que vai, através de voluntários, marcar áreas de estacionamento para deficientes.
Quero que meu projeto realmente impacte a vida das pessoas, eu quero que seja feito um bom uso dele, eu quero que muitas pessoas se beneficiem, que a cidade se beneficie e automaticamente pessoas próximas a mim também se beneficiem.
Além de estar recolhendo mais conhecimento para a minha ideia, a gente está sendo muito bem tratado aqui pelo pessoal da equipe, o pessoal da Nave do Conhecimento, o pessoal da OpenStack, o pessoal da NCE.
São pessoas que eu nunca havia visto ou sequer tinha conversado e são pessoas com habilidades diferentes. Todos estão aprendendo ao mesmo tempo, seja desenvolvimento, seja humanas, seja documentação, e isso está sendo incrível, isso está sendo muito bom, tanto por aprendizado quanto por projeto.
A experiência que a gente está tendo aqui é muito boa, a expectativa que eu tenho para esse hackathon é que saiam ideias maravilhosas. Eu ouvi algumas pessoas, conversei com alguns mentores e com outros grupos e vi que realmente está sendo desenvolvido ideias sensacionais que vai realmente revolucionar o conceito de Smart City no Rio de Janeiro.
Encontramos profissionais dedicados, pessoas muito competentes, e isso para uma companhia estrangeira que vem no Brasil, é um negócio que é muito, muito importante. Mais de 100 competidores criativos, motivados, que trabalharam até tarde na noite, voluntários dedicados e mentores competentes, que motivaram os grupos.
Tem muita equipe boa aqui, eu tenho certeza que vai sair muito projeto legal. E é isso aí, um abraço.
Okay, João, please.
Okay. So, well, the inception of the idea to come up with this hackathon in Rio de Janeiro happened in Barcelona Summit. So it took us quite a while to make it happen, but well, it does require a lot of effort. And fortunately, we count with the support of the OpenStack Foundation and a number of local institutions. So basically, we list here the dates that it seems to us that were important for the organization. So the initiative was supported by the company Nelpath, and the organizers are these local institutions that are the associations of IT companies in Brazil, the OpenStack Brazil, Secretaria Municipal do Rio de Janeiro, the City of Rio de Janeiro, and the National Association for Entrepreneurship, which is SEBRAE, and the University of Rio de Janeiro, the local hub. We fortunately had the support of Contron, who provided us with the local servers for the local cloud, which was very important. The Innovax company that provided all the support to import it and make it happen in terms of technical. And PSafe, DataPrev, and all these institutions. So thank you, Dan, for all the support that we had. The teams were organized to pick one of the challenges that the local Secretaria de Desenvolvimento identified as problems in the city. So each one of the teams picked up one of the problems and worked on the hackathon to provide a solution for that. So the areas were public health, public safety, education, mobility, and accessibility. And they all compete for the big prize to come here to Vancouver Summit. So the prize was offer of the OpenStack Foundation and complimentary from PSafe. And well, the other four teams also had minor prize here, but well, they were really looking to be coming here.
Yeah.
So these are the numbers of the hackathon. So at the end, we had 14 teams composed of 4 to 5 members, and they most of them choose this accessibility problem. And education, there were 3 out of 14. Public health, 2 out of 14, and public safety 2, and mobility 1. So we had a good numbers of hackers involved in this weekend. We had a lot of fun, and so pizza too. That's it. Thank you for those informations. Please.
So first of all, I would like to say that it was a privilege and a pleasure to be there. So for my colleagues and me at Contron to be there and participate and do this unique event, it was a really great fun, and I would say a very success in terms both technical and collaboration perspective. And it was a lifetime experience for us to be there. So I forgot to do that. So thank you very much, and also congratulations to all the winners, participants, and the people who organized this event. It was just wonderful. Maybe just a few words about the techniques that was there. So together with Innovax and Contron, we built a rather small cloud to support the event. So we contributed some cloud units with enough sleds to support whatever the needs of the team needed. So it was, numbers are out there, so 224 CPU cores with coherent amount of RAM and storage as well. And basically we deployed canonical OpenStack on it, and it ran smoothly throughout the weekend. We also learned a lot from that experience, so it was a really positive experience once again. So that's it for me. I think we have one more video to show.
Yeah. Okay, and now the winner team will talk more about the solutions and the use of the OpenStack to infrastructure.
All right, so let me show you guys about our team. So me, I'm a developer, Alexander, I don't know how can I say that in English, but Pedro is our businessman, and Gesiel, he knows a lot of about OpenStack and helped us a lot about those infrastructure and things with the OpenStack technologies. So and the other one is Luisa, is a designer, and that's our team. So first I want to say thank you, Marcelo, João, OpenStack, for everyone that helped us on Hackathon and Contron, and so it was fantastic. I want to really say thank you. And now I'm going to leave a simple explanation about our solution. So this image, we have 3 pictures about our solution. The first one is about, I think like a timeline page. You can see other posts from different people that have disabilities, and those people can share their experience, and this timeline, we're gonna, that timeline show about those experiences. So the second one is about a search. So imagine if you are going to Rio de Janeiro and you want to know more about place that you can visit, so like Corcovado, and you're going to write there Corcovado, and you're going to see more information about that, like if Corcovado has access ramp and things like that for those people. So in the next one, it's about sharing experience. So the people can share their experiences, and this thing is really important for us because these features improve our software, our solution. So, and now I'm talking about our software solution. So we did a Django application in a PostgreSQL database, and we used two technologies to help in our views: the Django REST API and Bootstrap framework to improve our development, and it was a good thing for us. And yeah, the next one is about OpenStack solution. So we had exactly 3 instances there. The first one with database, and the other ones, instance 2 and 3, both are the same with a Docker. The Docker helped us to deployment, to help us with that. we did a load balance with Neutron to control our requests, and we used Swift to provide our static files, and everything was behind an OpenStack hat. So yeah, the next one is our resource that we used there. So on the right, you can see a graphic representation of that. We have, let me see. Yeah, we have our instance there, our database instance, and our public IP, and that's it. So another important thing that I want to show there is about that we are still growing up our solution. We're still doing things to learn more about accessibility. We are talking with people about that, with people that really need those things. And we are visiting projects that are equal to us or similar to us. We are doing startup class and things like that. So that's it. That's all about us. If you have any question or know more about our project, contact us by email, teamalirou@gmail.com, or visit us at alirou.me.
Come
so
on.
Thank you.
Come on over there.
Over there, here.
Yeah. Okay. Hackathon.
Yeah, that's our team.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, thank you very much.
That's all.